So now we are on the products page under inventory, and this is probably the most important page on Stockburst. So for the sake of seeing more data, I will use my tick box at the top left to get rid of the tabs on the left to see some more information on the screen. So let's give you a quick overview of the products page. Over here we've got all the products that we have imported from Takealot. On the right top hand side we have the actions button with a couple of functions here that will be explained to you. Then we have a little filter bar. You'll be able to filter products according to these boxes here. Also give you an overview of the amounts of products you have, how many products you've archived, your total stock on hand, and then also your stock value. At the moment our stock value is nothing because we have not entered any information into our products yet. Okay, then we have our columns. On the left hand side we have a selector tick box. Then we have actions. On actions we have edit, view and remove. We've got our description of our product, our SKU, barcode that has been imported from Takealot. We have our stock on hand. Then we've got our stock locations. So if we look at this specific product over here, we will see stock locations. Our says 12 and our stock on hand says 10. So the reason is that our stock on hand reflects the numbers that are available within our own warehouse, whereas stock locations includes what you have at your Takealot warehouses as well. So you'll see we've got 10 in our own warehouse, 0 at Takealot Cape Town and 2 at Takealot Joburg. Then we have our selling price, our recommended retail price, our landed cost that we need to enter into our products, our profit percentage. So this profit percentage reflects the profit that you would make when selling this product out of your physical store without any Takealot fees added to that. Then we've got our Takealot profit percentage. This reflects your profit that you make after deducting your fulfillment fees and also your success fees. We've got our Takealot profit in Rand. That shows your Rand value in profit after deducting your fulfillment fee and success fees. Then we've got our return on investment column. You're more than welcome to read more about your return on investment in our FAQ. That basically means if your product landed in South Africa for 100 Rand and you are making 100 Rand profit on that product, meaning you're selling it for more than 200 Rand, if you include your fulfillment fees and success fees, your return on investment would be 100%. If you make 100 Rand after landing it here for 100 Rand. Then we've got our Takealot offer status. Over here you'll see if your products are disabled, buyable or not buyable. And that is all for the overview of the products page. So now let's get into the nitty-gritty stuff of the products page. First of all, if you click on the description of one of your products, it'll give you a nice quick pop-up view of all the information regarding your product. But what we want to do now is to enter information into our product. You will see that every product with this red eye icon means missing or outstanding details. You want to get to a point where you have no red eyes next to any product. So let's edit this product. Okay, here we go. So as soon as you have sold one of these products, you will be able to see the pictures of your product that gets downloaded from Takealot. And then here at the bottom, let's see the product overview as well. But for now, we've got our product title, our SKU. We've got a supplier that we can choose. We have not added any suppliers yet. If you want a quicker way to add a supplier from the screen, you can click on this icon, this eye icon to the right hand side of the supplier box. So now we need to enter the weight and dimensions of our product. It's very important to weigh and measure your product for Stockburst. We use these weights and measurements to calculate accurate shipping costs with our inbound stock function. It's also good in this business to always have record of the weight and dimensions of your product. So the weight and dimensions you need to enter here is the weight and dimensions of the product ready to be sold to customers. So that would be the product in the specific box, for instance, that you've chosen, and then you would measure that box and weigh the box and put those dimensions in here. So let's say the weight of this product is 1.1 kilogram. Our width is 30 centimeters. Our height is 12 centimeters, and our length is 25 centimeters. Then next up, we've got the barcode. So this barcode has been pulled through from the Takealot sync. We've got our recommended retail price. If you want to change your recommended retail price or selling price on Takealot, you need to change it here on Stockburst. If you change this price and you save this page, it'll automatically push through your new price to the Takealot seller portal. Okay. So for the time being, we have not used the inbound function for Stockburst. Our inbound function would calculate your landed cost for your products and consolidate those costs to an average landed cost. Seeing as that we do not have that at the moment, we will enter our landed cost that we have previously calculated from, let's say, our own Excel sheet. So let's say the landed cost for this product is 6, or let's make it reasonable. Recommended retail price is 1.2, selling price is almost 700 Rand. So let's say and hope that the landed cost for this product is 300 Rand. After saving this page, we will automatically calculate your volumetric weight as well. For everyone importing products, you can also enter your HS code on each product, which makes your international invoicing, commercial invoicing a bit quicker. If you can look up your products and see your HS codes that you have already saved. So let's just say, for interest sake, this HS code is 3201.01. Then we've got our duties percentage. So if this is a product that we have imported, we can say that this product lands in South Africa with a 20% duty added to it. To the right-hand side, we've got your success fee. That's your Takealot success fee. So you've got two options here. You can either click on this bar next to the success fee box, this button right here, and you can go select your success fee. Obviously, this will be the same department and success fee that you have selected when you uploaded your product to Takealot. So let's say, in this case, automotive, parts and accessories, let's say parts, and it's 10% success fee. We can save that. If you do not choose a success fee, after you have made your first sale while using Stockburst, we would track and add your success fee and fulfillment fee automatically from Takealot. So there's no need to put in your success fee, but if you want to see how much profit you'll be making before selling the product, we recommend putting in your success fee right here. Then below this, we have your fulfillment fee, and your fulfillment fee will also show after saving the new information based on your dimensions and weight. And if it does not reflect correctly, it would automatically update after you've done your first sale on Takealot, and then allocate the correct fulfillment fee right here. Then on the right hand side, we've got pieces. This might be a bit tricky for a lot of people to understand, but it's not that difficult to understand. Let's say that we import this product. The specific product is disc protection for a KTM motorbike. Let's say that we import this product and we pay a certain price to import this single product, and we are going to sell this as a single product. Then we would make pieces 1. Sorry, let's just do that again. We'll make it 1. Let's say this product is not a part for a motorcycle, but it is a box of lighters that you're importing. A box of lighters that comes in 10 pieces. So you are paying your supplier one price, let's say 200 Rand for the box of 10 lighters, and you will be reselling them one by one. You will not resell the full box. You'll resell those lighters one by one. Then you're paying one price and you're selling them as 10 pieces. So you would enter 10 pieces right here. So then we have our lead time days. You can set your lead time days here. In the future, if you want to update your lead time, you need to update it on Stockburst and not on your seller portal. If you update your lead time days on the seller portal, after Stockburst runs a sync, it'll override the seller portal data with whatever you have in this box right here. Okay, at the moment, this product is disabled by seller. We have an offer URL to direct us to that product. It shows you your discount percentage as shown on Takealot. And then your cover image URL will show once you have sold one of these products. You'll also see your product overview. That's your description of your product will be in this box right here. At the moment, also nothing as we have not made a sale. Scroll down. Over here is the archived tick box. If you want to archive this product, you can click it, tick the box right here. And then we have our stock by location, showing our stock on hand, what we have in our warehouse, and then also your Takealot and Cape Town DC. So for this product at the moment, we have 0 stock on hand. If we however want to update this, we can update the stock numbers, let's say to 5. And then as soon as you save this, it'll ask you a reason for updating the stock. And that we'll get to that, but that reason will be shown in your stock movement audit. Okay, so let's just put that back to 0 and we will save changes to this product. There we go. You will now see that we have calculated your volumetric weight as well. Okay. So at the bottom of this page, you will see another couple of buttons. We've got Sync Takealot Offer, Stock Movement Audit, and then also the Save button. Sync Takealot Offer will be used if you have created a new listing on Takealot and you want that listing to be linked with the product you've added on Stockburst. If you want that product to link immediately and sync up, you will use the Sync Takealot Offer. That is the only reason for this button. This is not to save any information on the page. Then we've got our stock movement audit, and if you click on that, it'll open a separate tab showing you a detailed breakdown of what has been happening to your stock. The numbers that have been pushed to Takealot, it shows you whether Takealot has updated these numbers correctly. Also, any stock movements in your warehouse. So let's say one of your employees scans the product out or scans new products in, you'll be able to view that on your stock movement audit. And that's that for now. Okay, so let's continue on the products page. After we've updated the information on the specific product, you will notice that the red icon is now gone. We can also scroll to the right and you will see that we now have profit percentages and profit in Rand shown over there. So next up, we will go through the actions menu on the right hand side. So first of all, we have an add product. That's very basic. If you want to add a product, you can just, same as the previous product information page, you can enter all the product details into this page and just save that, and that will create a new product on Stockburst. It's also important to mention there is no need for Takealot sellers, there will be no need to create a new product. As soon as you have created a new product on the Takealot seller portal, and Takealot has accepted that new product, we will update and pull through the new product to Stockburst, so you will see that product automatically shows up in your product inventory on Stockburst. So on our actions bar, next up we've got the import function. So you guys have heard me saying how important it is to enter all the correct information into your product. But now it might take some time to do that for every single product. So we have our import function. We will click on that. And the first thing we want to do is download our products template. So that'll open up a new page and it'll download our Excel products list. Let's open that up. So on this page, we will start on the left-hand side. You will see we've got a couple of columns here. We've got your SKU, your product title, your selling price, your recommended retail selling price, your barcode, weight, width, height, length, your HS code, your duties percentage, your landed cost with that, your pieces, and then also your supplier name. Then on the far right, we've got this ID column, and then we ask users to never try and change any of the numbers that you see here in the ID column. That is only for identification purposes for Stockburst to change the correct details on the correct products. Okay, so we can use this sheet to update products in bulk. So first time using Stockburst, it'll be wise to use this sheet and enter all your weight, width, height, your length, and then also your landed costs will be important to enter as well. After we've done all that, we can save the Excel sheet. And once it is saved, we will then choose which of the fields that you have edited would you wish to update on Stockburst. So in this case, we would have said we want to change the weight, height, length, and also the landed cost, and maybe even the pieces. And we will then be able to choose a file and import that Excel file. After importing, you will see that all your information has updated on the products page. The next function we have is scan product. So you can open up the app on your mobile phone while walking through your warehouse. And then you can use the scan product feature to open up your camera, either on your laptop or your smart device, to scan a product when searching for a product. Let's say you're walking through a warehouse and you want to double check stock quantities while standing there. Just scan your product and the product will show up here on the products page and you can see all the information about that product. Our next function here is sync all Takealot products. So there's actually no need to use this function as we update everything live from Takealot. If, however, we or the support asked you to use sync all Takealot product offers, then there will be a specific reason for that. Next up, we have recalculate landed cost with that. Also, no reason to use this function unless instructed by support. Then we've got export full product sheet. So this sheet is a bit different from the import sheet that we have just used. There's more information on this product sheet available to you. So if you want an Excel sheet with all the information that is on Stockburst, you can just say export full product sheet. And down below, we've got Takealot stock on hand batches. So every time we update anything on Takealot from Stockburst, we create a batch. And for all the technical guys out there, you can click on that to go to your Takealot stock on hand push batch status. And it'll actually show you whether the updates were successful or not. This will also be used by support more than users, but we've got this function nonetheless. And that will be all for the products page.